I just can't believe it has already been 3 months since we've been on the road full time. We've been driving with our customized four-wheel camper. We've been driving all across the US to make it to Mexico. And we've been noticing that you guys are quite curious about how day-to-day life goes when you are full-time on the road. So if you have any questions, if there is anything that you're wondering about, put it in the comments below and I'll get back to that later. But today we will be talking about laundry. So being on the road, laundry goes a little bit more different. Obviously, we do not have our washing machine or our dryer in the camper, so things go a little bit more differently, and this is how it goes. Everywhere you look, there is dirty laundry right now.
There's too much to carry at once. We got to do 2 runs.
Nice shorts.
Thanks. I've run out of pants. I only have 3 pairs of pants to my name on this trip, and they're all dirty. So it's cold, but I gotta wear shorts.
Because that's just how it goes on laundry day.
See if we can fit everything in there. I don't think it's gonna fit.
It's not going to fit?
I don't think so.
Maybe we should go for the $7 ones, the bigger ones?
I think we need a bigger one. It's already almost full.
Of course it helps to decide the size of the laundry machine before putting the clothes in. At least if you don't want to be hauling your stuff around, just like us.
We got extra room in here. I think we're gonna wash as much as we can. So we're gonna go grab our bedding.
So normally every other time we do our bedding as well, because we don't wash them every time. But as there is lots of space left in the washing machine, we're gonna do them now. Woo-wee! It's always quite tedious work. Because of the small size of the camper, changing the bedding is a little more difficult. And into the machine it goes. Detergent strips, because they pack very small. You have 36 loads with one package, which is super easy, and it is also environmentally friendly, as you don't have the jug, plastic or anything like that. That's all you need. So you're gonna grab one strip. Getting a little bit sticky. Just grab one strip. And you're gonna rip them in little bits. I don't know how to say that. Just like that. Alright, now I'm gonna grab the coin. And you're gonna see the price go down there. Let's speed up that process a little bit. In the US, these washing machines usually work with quarters or credit card. And if you didn't bring any quarters, there is often a money exchanger. Almost. The last one. There you go. Okay.
Hooray!
Of course, doing laundry always means waiting around a little bit. If there is a coffee shop or if there are stores around, we usually go for a walk and check those out. Which was not the case today. But before we know it, it's time to put the laundry in the dryer. Sadly, often a piece of clothing will fall on the floor, and usually these floors aren't the cleanest. Some more quarters go in. In this case, $2 gives us 20 minutes of dry time. We're gonna put it on hot, otherwise it is not dry after 20 minutes. And we wait for the last 20 minutes to pass by. Our laundry is finally clean and dry. So we start folding and storing everything away with the famous rolling method to hopefully avoid wrinkles. Although in reality, it can only help so much. It is quite a challenge to pack your clothes away nice and clean in such a small space as these. But we like to use these little packing cubes. We have them in different sizes, different colors, like the big ones, there is where the dresses and the pants come in, and then we've got these small ones for underwear, socks, whatever. We really like to use these. They are so nice and compact, and it looks really good putting them away in our little cupboards where there is not a lot of space to put anything. So this is how we do it. If you want any more information about those, I'll put a link in the description and then you can go and check it out.